Hey everybody, this is Geno with the Oklahoma City Ghostbusters. This is take two, but we're going to make this work this time. I am going to disassemble the Spirit Halloween Walkie Talkie and show you what it's like inside, and give you a little bit of rundown of what this thing actually does. So, if you haven't seen them, they're a little light. Well, actually, the center of gravity is a little bit like there, so we know there's got to be something in here that's, either all of your electronics or something are in here. So what I'm going to do is first show you that
Pippin! I saw it! I saw it! I saw it!
it works great. So first thing I need to do is take the battery cover off of here. All right, let's get a better angle down here. All right, so what you see now, I'm just going to take these batteries out. These are Huahong batteries. Okay.
I think that's a playable character on Soul Calibur.
Yep. And I am going to take out these 7 screws right here.
Mongolian barbecue clips.
Now the one thing is putting this back together once you've disassembled it, because, well, I'll show you once we get it apart. Yep. In take 1, I believe I cross-threaded a screw, and that's the one. That's no good.
Is it coming out?
Walk time.
There we go. I know this is really entertaining for you, YouTube. You can fast forward through this section if you want. Okay. Okay, one thing I want to show you. As you take it apart, there's a spring right here that's attached to a screw right there. There you go. All sorts of different lighting. So you're going to have to take that screw out.
Should just grab the lighting.
And that will allow us to take this apart. All right. So now, I've got my screw here. What you see inside, we've got battery pack, board that controls everything, speaker, there's the spring to the sliding latch, but the best part about it is right here. You see that? That is a lead weight that's just gonna act as weight. That's doing nothing else but weigh the thing down. There you go. That's just a lead weight. So, okay, I'm gonna put that back in. This board is a very small control board. This board you could swap out if you wanted to make this say other things, because you got about 5 to 7 different phrases. It plays through the "he slimed me" scene. So yeah, you can keep this, you can get rid of it, you can do what you want, but just know that this is the brains of your operation, this right here. So it's running wires to your power switch at the top, it's running wires to your speaker, it's running wires to this momentary switch. That little click is what you're hearing when you slide this thing down and it clicks. It pushes right here, pushes on that button, and it springs back up using this spring. And there you go. That's the insides of the Spirit Halloween Walkie Talkie. It's a pretty simple device. If you wanted to put your own speaker guts inside this, maybe buy your own walkie talkie. Just a thought. But this has room if you wanted to do it. You could probably put some more weights up in the top here just to even the weight out, because it is a little bottom heavy. But there we go. Now I'm going to put this thing back together. So I've got 7 screws and a spring screw here. So I'm just going to put all the wires back here. Spring screw is going to go there. And We are home. And now I'll put my 7 screws back in. With my sausage hands. If we were going to edit this video, which I don't believe we are, we would speed this section up. But instead, you're just going to watch me screw a bunch of screws into these holes, because that's what we're doing. Content, people. Content is king. It's also a little blurry here, too.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Sorry. The production value on
It's like eating on camera. Come on. What is the deal? Putting this guy back together is really just as simple as taking it apart. Just put those screws back together. Make sure none fall out. Gonna put our batteries back in. 1 and 2. Put our door back in. Turn it on.
Pippin! I saw it, I saw it, I saw it!
And there you go. It's easy as that. Spirit Halloween Walkie Talkie. Disassembled, reassembled. It works. It's a nice, simple device. I'd say go get one. They're fun. They're nice to have. That wasn't me. That might have been. All right. And there you have it. Thank you very much.